Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the app and your data are ready. Open SwiftKey and go directly to Settings so you can change the key cell quickly. Once there, tap Typing, then Keys or Layout to reveal the keyboard grid. Make sure autocorrect and flow are off if you want precise changes. You're doing this to alter size, placement, or function of a specific key cell. Immediate steps let you edit without redundant navigation or accidental resets. Now change the key cell's properties. Tap the key in the preview to open its options and choose size, position, or assigned character. If you need special functions, set long press or secondary characters here. Use the layout preview to move adjacent cells and avoid overlap, drag handles, or use numeric padding values when available. Make sure to test in the built-in preview field to confirm the key outputs the correct symbol, and that spacing feels natural for your typing posture. Finish by saving and applying your new layout, then switch to any app to test actual typing. Type several sentences and try long press actions to confirm behavior. If a key misfires, return to Settings and tweak size or touch sensitivity. Make sure to export or note custom mappings if you plan more edits. Troubleshooting tip: if the modified key still behaves incorrectly, clear SwiftKey's cache and data or reinstall. That usually resolves corrupted layout files without affecting cloud backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.